I am completely baffled, so I hope somebody can help me figure this out. Multimeter set to DC, set on automatic range. If I touch the two tips together, 0 volts. This device here, you can see it's not connected to anything. If I meter the input power, there's nothing. Meter the signal, there's nothing. If I come to the first output and I meter that, you can see there's nothing there. If I come to the second output, you can see there's nothing there either. But then when you get to the third output, 7.5 volts DC on that side, but there's nothing on the other side of the third output. And then on the fourth output, again, 7.5 volts, and then nothing here. And then there's nothing on 5. There's nothing on the first half of 6. There's 7.5 volts on the second half of 6. Again, if I touch the meter together, there's nothing. I don't know. There's nothing on 7. Nothing on 8. I don't know. Like, if I go back to 3 and I touch the common on 3, if I touch the pins that had 7.6 volts on 4 and on 6, it gives me the 7.6 volts again. I don't understand where is the voltage coming from? How is this box creating voltage? It's a Digikeijs DR4018. I was using it to control some switch machines, some MP4 switch machines. Everything was working fine until all of a sudden the switch machines would just start, running back and forth on their own. 3, 4, and 6 would start running back and forth on their own. And then I found this 7.5 volts that's coming from, I don't know where.